Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discuss with you Epify Hair Removal Cream Hair Remover Review. So, you might be wondering, what is the Epify Hair Removal Cream or Gel Cream that you may be hearing or seeing online? So, Epify Hair Removal Cream is a topical hair removal gel cream designed to remove unwanted body hair without shaving or waxing hair. Now, according to the Fish website here, it is intended for areas such as the arms, legs, underarms, and bikini area, but not the face. So just keep that in mind. Now, the formula contains ingredients such as delphinium herb, walnut shell, and also walnut shell powder, lemon extract, lady's mantle, egg white, and turmeric. Now, they do have that ingredients listed in here in their website. So, Zernic herb, walnut shell powder. So, how to exactly use Epify here? So, you first need to start with a clean, dry skin and apply enough cream to completely cover the unwanted hair. You want to leave it for approximately like 5 minutes, then rinse the area with warm water or remove the cream with a spatula. Now, the website also promotes like 30 seconds hair removal cream, but the actual instructions here specify like a 5 minute waiting period. So this is a more useful instruction to follow here. So as you can see, 5 minutes. So currently the Epify here is currently listed at around $29 for a 8.45 ounce or 250 ml bottle here with multi-bottle discounts available. So the website also states that the formula is vegan, fragrance-free, sulfate-free, and paraben-free, phthalate-free, and free of artificial colorants. Now, those are claims inside their website if you're going to check that. As you can see right now, vegan, not tested on animals, and so whatnot. So yeah, so in simple terms here, Epify here is a cream-based body hair remover that you apply, wait, and rinse off. And manufacturer also claims that repeated use may slow hair regrowth. Now, if you're interested with this product here, using it with caution is always recommended, especially if you have sensitive skin. It may be best to consult your doctor first or your dermatologist just to be on the safe side. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.